Hey Tube, is Nathaniel back there? We're gonna get going today. We got a little bit of a deal. What's this stuff back here? This is a dump, huh? That's a big boy though. I told you. It looks small from the... Piece of cake.
Yeah, great treehouse tree, man.
Yeah. So, let's get her started, Tube. Get her done. All right, let's get on the road. So, if you see right there, those are called FP&L lines to the house. That's electricity. Sorry for the noise, Tube. Talking to you, Tube. Matthew. I'm talking to you, Tube, Matthew. Soon, though, Tube, you know what? I'm thinking about getting a Husqvarna battery saw. I really am. So, like when I start the chainsaw, you can just continuously hear my beautiful voice. I know I haven't seen you guys in a while. I've just been super busy. I just don't, you know, just gotta get her done some days. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Alright. Let's keep her ripping. Nate's down there with the quarter wrap. I already did my horizontal flat cut for my snap, right? So when I push it, it's gonna come and kick off and go down. Hopefully, we'll see. Ready? Hold on. See, I did a bad cut there. Here it goes. Whoop. There it goes. I did a bad cut there. I went a little too low on the back cut, and I should have been on top, but still worked, right? Ain't too shabby, baby. that was holding it from leaning back and going on top of the machine. So if you would have cut all the way through that, that thing would have fell backwards. Just like that. Good job, guys. What is it? 10:30. We took this tree down in an hour and 36 minutes. Hour and 36 minutes. Pretty good. Pretty good. Right? When you see the angle, you see that? Like when you went, you put your blade down like that. If you would have cut flush across, you would have had a better chance. Then we could have done what I was telling you, what we could have done, you know? But just push it over. Shouldn't have kept using the 462 YouTube chain stole. That's why I was cutting on an angle like that. So I guess Nate really did have it like pretty much good to where like he was cutting even. It just sunk because the chain was shitty. It's a softer wood. It's a mango tree. So we're gonna break out the 20-inch Timberwolf and get that done here and get everything cleaned up here, and that about wraps it up, you know. So let the Bandit eat real quick. Probably take maybe 15-20 minutes to grind the stump here, and then I'll get the boys chipping and raking up and be all good here. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe to the channel. I much appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, tube. We're done, baby. We're just gonna pick up the mangoes and the rest of the fruit and the leaves. Stump's gone. Grind it up. Everything's loaded up in the truck. Don't forget to give us a call today for your free estimate. 954-857-4571. Thank you all for watching.